Hello my fellow RC enthusiasts, it's John here, and today, very excited, going to be building a new kit, the Rock Socker. This is on Tamiya's crawling chassis, which is a CR-01 chassis. This is a kit reference of 58592. This kit is a little bit different to other Tamiya kits. There is the way they do their suspension system here. I don't know if you can pick it out on here. I'll see if I can bring this up a little bit closer. They have the oil damper attached to the side of the main chassis rails, and it's on like a cam system where the spring is separate to the shock oil damper itself, and uses a cam system, so slightly different system to the normal way. It also does have bearings, majority of the bearings in the kit, that is. I'm going to put a list up of the bearings supplied. They are normally supplied in bag A and bag D of the kit, and I'll put a little total supply of each bag and a total supply for the kit. And it also contains metal bushings. Tamiya call them in their manuals metal bearings, but they are in fact metal bushings. To summarize, really, the kit has 16 of the 1050 size metal bushings. They are 5mm by 10mm by 4mm, so that's 5mm internal, 10mm external, and a width of 4. And they also have the metal bushings which are 1080 size, which are 8mm internal, 12mm external, and 3.5mm width. They have 8 of those. I'm going to change the metal bushings, the 16 of those, to bearings, so that the kit is fully ball raced on the transmission and gearboxes. I'm going to go the more cost-effective route and not change the 1280 bushings, because they are actually used for the link mount system for the suspension. They are on the external of the car, so if I do want to move them around and change them to bearings at a later date, it's a fairly straightforward thing to do, so you don't have to take the kit completely apart. But whether or not it's necessary, so I'm kind of going a cost-effective route, shall we say. So this kit is very, very good. Tamiya are excellent with their instructions. Get straight into the chassis, and like I say, I'm going to be changing out those metal bushings to be bearings, and this I'm going to enjoy. Now, it also has a slightly different steering system where you can have the option of having a 4-wheel steering system. So I don't know if you can see that on there. And I'm going to go with that option. I'm going to try and put 4-wheel steering and see if I can get my transmitter system to mix the steering system so that we've got not overly wild steering, but still rear wheel steering. So it's a first for me, 4-wheel steering, which is really, really nice to have. And yeah, I'm going to enjoy getting stuck into this. I've noticed as well that the planetary gear system is different as well, different to the normal Tamiya way. But they do actually give you, predominantly in the gearboxes and things, they do give you all the bearings included in the kit, just those exceptions to the metal bushings. And my suggestion is to change those metal bushings, at least the 1050 sizes, to bearings, and question whether or not you need to change the 1280 size. But wow, what a nice kit. Anyway, that is a summary. That's an introduction to what I'm doing next. So that's the excellent rock socker. Thank you very much indeed for looking at this small video, the introduction video, and the next video will actually be starting the build process. Thank you very much indeed for watching, and do take care of yourselves, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye for now.